Hey y'all, today we are checking out a brand new one-story floor plan by Westin called the Leona. Look at how beautiful it is on the outside. So you have the brick around, you have a 3-car garage, beautiful natural light. Look at how big this driveway space is too, giving you plenty of room. Here you walk into a beautiful entryway. Look, vaulted ceilings as well. Inside the front door, and again you're greeted by that tall grand entrance that we all love. Real wow factor. Okay, this house is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It has a study, so first we're going to go check out the study. It's a decent size. If you needed a 5th bedroom, you can make this a 5th bedroom and just switch out the doors. And what's really cool about this one story is that throughout the ceilings are high. So even in the study and any of these secondary rooms, they're also super high. So now we're going to take a right. That's a storage closet on the right. We're going to go into the bathroom. And if you needed another bathroom to make that another bedroom, you may be able to put in a smaller vanity there, scoot your toilet over, and put a shower tub combo. You'll have to measure it just to check. But regardless, you still have a really convenient bathroom near for guests to use. Again, those tall ceilings we were talking about. Closet space, so you can hang some of your coats. Now we're going to flip around, and here's one entrance to the large game room area. So what I really like about this is if you do have kids and you want a space for all of their toys and things to belong, but you still want to be able to see them from the living space, this is a great option. It would also be really cool because the ceilings are so high. If you want to use this as a media room, put some blackout curtains over there, put a projector on one of these walls to broadcast over to the other side. Here's a little peek at that living room. Oh my goodness, just a tease. Okay, we're going to come back because I want you to see the full grand feel as you walk down this hallway. So now we're back in front of the front door. Tall ceilings, wow factor. Wood look tile throughout. Look at those beams. If you've been looking for something like this, you know that it's really rare to see that. Look at how big this living space is too. You could easily fit 3-seat couches on both sides and across this back space and still have room. Have the large picture windows, again the beams, there's a fireplace built in this option. I'm gonna walk you over to this corner so you can take a look at just how open it is. Now what's really cool here is that this floor plan has so many options depending on how you use the space. So say you don't want to use the formal dining, you could put a large formal dining space right here, but you also have, look at that large island, you can say 8 at that large island. Here's the formal dining space. If you want to use it for that, great. If you want to use that as another office, you could. Here shows you the large kitchen. Just how connected everything is. There's that game room in the back. Alrighty, let's go outside really quick while we're over here and check out your extended cover patio. It's a great size, perfect for entertaining. Can easily fit some couches out here, your grill, whatever you want to entertain with. This one is on a corner, like a cul-de-sac lot, so it does have a large yard. Look at the back too. 4-sided brick, which is a huge plus. Look at all those big windows and natural light. And that patio is massive, y'all. Alrighty, now we're going to venture back inside, and remember this door leads to your formal dining space that you could use for something else if you wanted to. You could throw a wall up here if you wanted and close this off and use it for something else. But look at those beautiful windows and all that natural light. You could close that area off right there and make it a storage closet, or if you want to put a nice hutch in there or something, that's a perfect spot. Again, the tall ceilings. It's just wow. This is a true chef's kitchen. So again, here, look, you could fit easily 2 bar stools there, another 4 going across here, and another 2 on the other side, giving you a total of 8 bar stools just here. So you may not even need a table if you just do casual eating, but you have the option. Look at all that counter space. And I love that the counter's all one height too for your island. Oh, guys, I'm obsessed. Look at how large this walk-in pantry is. And again, you have the tall ceiling, so you could add extra storage up there if you want to put cupboards so you can hide things. Down here is where all the secondary bedrooms are. Wow. It's beautiful. And over here, you'll have your microwave and built-in oven. Alrighty, let's go check out the primary bedroom. Good sized bedroom. Again, the large ceilings, big picture windows. These ones do have the screen, so that way you have the egress, so you can open them. Look at that bathroom. Okay, sorry I got sidetracked. Still looking at the room. It's huge. You can fit tons of furniture in this space. Now we're going to go in and check out the bathroom. So there's a vanity area and a large walk-in shower. And then you each have your own sink area. So there's one, some beautiful windows, nice soaker tub. And again, those tall ceilings that we love. Go, another look at your vanity and your large shower. I just love the accent that they put in these two with the black. Have your toilet over there, and you have 2 closets. This is one of the closets, again, y'all. You can add a whole nother row up there, or if you want to put cupboards again to store any of your things that you don't use often. I would probably use it to put all my winter clothes on my coats up high. But this is the second one. Has a little bit more space on this side if one person has more clothes than the other. Now we're back checking out the bathroom. Nice and spacious. Alrighty, we're going to go back through the primary bedroom. Now we're going to go back out to the kitchen, which also has your living space to the left. I'm never going to get tired of those beams. Alrighty, we're going to walk through. There's your pantry on the right, remember? Now to the left right here is your laundry room. They were checking out the attic, so sorry y'all. But you can easily fit your washer and dryer there. Can put a fridge in this space. You can also add a space to fold your laundry. I love that there's this mud space because to the right over there, that big door that you're seeing straight ahead now, that's your garage. Alrighty, now we're entering the first of the secondary bedrooms. These are great sized bedrooms. They're 16 by 11. Plenty of space to put a desk over there, dressers, whatever you may need. They each have their own closet, which is a great size for a secondary bedroom. Another look. You could fit some big furniture in here. These are great bedrooms to grow into. And it's a Jack and Jill. So they have their own vanity area over here for their own sink. Then they share the shower tub combo as well as the toilet. And now we're into the other side. So they have their own sink. And this is an exact replica of the room that we were just in. So if you have 2 people that are going to be fighting over the bedrooms, these are exactly the same. So you don't have to worry about one person getting a bigger bedroom than the other. Closet's the exact same. It's just mirrored on either side. Awesome. Okay, now we're going to walk out this door and we're going to go check out the guest suite quickly. So just to give you a little bit of an idea, the kitchen's straightforward. Behind you is the garage and the other bedroom we just came out of, and now we're going to go into the guest suite. So some of the large windows you saw from the front, that's the guest suite. It's nice and spacious as well. It's 16 by 10, so just slightly smaller than the other bedrooms. But you can fit some great furniture in here. They do have their own bathroom attached, so fantastic for guests. If you do have kiddos and you don't want them to have to use the kiddos' messy sinks, totally understand. You won't have to. But they have such a big closet and storage area that they may want to stay. So also take that into consideration. But this is great to have an ensuite and somebody who just needs their own space. Now let's go check out the garage, which is also large. Absolutely love it. Check that out. It even has windows, so natural light in your garage. 3-car garage. Look at that tankless water heater. We love that. Hot water for days. So check that out. Beautiful, spacious, all the things. There's only one community that's currently building this floor plan, so if you love it, give me a call, text me, and I'll get you a private tour. They're only going to be building 2 more of these, so you better act fast.